Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being rain. Now I would say come join me in singing in the rain, but it's not raining out there. So yeah, it's sunny, that's it. So with the word being rain, I wanted to make a piece that had a leaf in the middle with rain falling around it. So much like I did the tree pour, I poured out the leaf and then let it sit overnight to fully dry. And then the next day I poured the raindrops in as just like dots and then I let it drip down by tipping the canvas. I thought this effect was pretty cool, but I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word rain. Now I think this turned out pretty cool, but you're going to have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're going to be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!